This trick will help you remember calculus forever. It came from Isaac Newton, who believed there is really nothing special about a perfect circle. Every smooth curve, when you zoom in enough, looks just like a line. This is similar to the arc that forms when a rocket is launched. To the naked eye from afar, it looks curved due to the effect of gravity. But the closer we get, the straighter it becomes. Newton said, let's zoom in the field of view as far as we can to a point that's so small, it's smaller than anything you can name, but not zero. You're looking at the arc not over a period of time, but at a single moment. What was almost a line becomes exactly a line. The slope of this line is what we call the derivative. If you swing a rock in a loop around your head and suddenly release it, it'll shoot off in a linear trajectory at a constant speed, exactly in the direction that calculus says the rock is moving at the moment you let it go. Be sure to subscribe to learn more.